This has been a busy month for the channel. I've set two aggressive goals to accomplish in Q1 of 2026 for my RC construction site. If you haven't seen that video, I'd check it out now so you know what we're up to. The first goal is what you're watching now. We're putting the excavator to work trying to clear away 3 to 4 inches of dirt to make way for pavers and decorative rocks. By my calculations, we're almost done, but I haven't even considered this giant plant that's in the way. No idea how I'm going to take that out with the excavator. Might have to bring in the shovel for that one. You might be wondering, if you're removing all this dirt, where's it going? And the answer to that question is nowhere. It's all staying right here on the construction site. We're going to use it for future projects, and it needs to be processed by the trommel, separated by size so we don't use the wrong material for the wrong job. We don't want to have any cave-ins or catastrophes on the job site, do we? So I've just been piling it up over here where the wall will be closing this section in. Another aspect of the job site I've never mentioned before are these bricks that line the sidewalk. These were here when we bought the house, and since I've done a poor job maintaining this area, they're getting out of alignment and tilting here and there, and overall don't look very good. I want to take them out, but I have a feeling they'll be too big for the excavator to lift into the dump truck. That might be another part I'll have to do by hand. I'll at least give it a try though, to see how it goes with the excavator. There is also another sprinkler head that broke off, which needs to be capped. I need to dig that up and put a plug in it so sprinklers don't continuously water the construction site. All in due time, I suppose. Well, enjoy the rest of this time lapse of the excavator and dump truck putting in work to clear out all this dirt. as we freed the string from the rock. Deal with that goes too. It's really stuck in there, so I think that's gonna be a wrap for today, though. Alright, so we got another day of cleanup today. So we got the dump truck and the excavator, and we're cleaning up all this big pile of dirt here. So we're just coming off the trommel test. We need to walk the excavator back down to the job site. You can really hear that trommel motor, the slewing motor really struggling. Sounds like something needs greased, if I'm honest. Back at it today, digging up paper trench. See how far we can get without the rock breaker this morning. It did rain a bit, so I'm hoping the ground's going to be a little forgiving. Guess we'll see. Yeah. The slewing motor issue is painful because I can't even. It's so slow. Probably should move the truck a little closer too. It's like it's going downhill and I can't even do it. Come on. Oh, don't hit the excavator. I clip a mirror. There we go. Yeah, I'm hardly getting anything. I think we need to break out. Maybe I'll try the ripper tooth again. Why don't we do that? I know, we're all amazed at my transitions, but I have no idea how well the ripper tooth actually works. I tried it once. It seemed to do okay, but I tried it kind of from this direction. I was over here ripping in that way, and now I'm going to try ripping up.
from the top and see how it goes. Ooh, cold over here in the shade. This is where the strength of the hydraulic model would really come in, because I don't think the servos, the geared motors, are really quite strong enough to really break up this kind of stuff. Here we go. I think the rock breaker, with the motion attached to the rock breaker, just happens to work a lot better, it seems like. And it's just a little too weak to dig into where we need to go. Like, it'll dig through the top inch of soil, but then after that, it just kind of gets stuck. It could do a lot of work. It just, since I have the rock breaker just works faster. It's like it does it. It's just the rock breaker does it better. Like, it works, it just doesn't work as good as the rock breaker. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are back. Whew. I was sitting in that corner right there just now. It is chilly. It is cold out today. We got the rock breaker. We'll give it a go. See how much of this we can break up. I think I gotta move the dump truck out of the way. Alright, I think we need a new battery. Okay, new battery in. Let's get it going. Just occurred to me that maybe I should try using this without the oscillation, see if it works the same way. Maybe it's the shape of the... Maybe it's the shape of the ripper tooth that doesn't get it done for me. Maybe it needs to be like a spike. I could make that. I can't even see what I'm doing here. These plants, I don't know what they are, but they do not pull up their roots. Their roots are dug in. See, like, that one just barely, but its root system is down in there. I'll get a different angle here. How about this? Gotta tear some weeds up. Can't see what we're doing. There it is. So if anyone was wondering, I replaced the battery almost exactly 40 minutes ago. We had the rock breaker running pretty much the entire time. So 40 minutes running the arm, moving the excavator around, and running the rock breaker for the entire duration. Pretty good battery life. That's with a standard battery.